Hey guys, this is Kurgi again, and this time of the videos we're going to go ahead and look at how to actually log a World of Logs log. So in order to do that, I'm actually in-game right now, and I'm going to show you how to actually create your log so that you can go ahead and start saving and recording everything. There's me waving. So what I'm going to do is that we actually have to go through quite a couple medians before we can actually upload our log and all that stuff from World of Logs. So one of the first things I wanted to talk about is that there's been a discussion where it used to be you have to go to Curse Client, download an add-on to log your World of Logs. That's not necessarily true anymore. In your folders for WoW, after the whole compression, the only thing you really have to do in order to actually start recording your combat log is very simple. I'm going to actually increase my text size here for you so you can see what's going on. I'm going to try and increase it to 18. Oh, that's pretty good. So now we can see exactly what's going on and everything that's happening right here. So now I'm actually going to go type in /combat log, and as you can see right there, it says combat being logged to logs/wow combat log.txt. That text file is essentially all the data that World of Logs produces back to us when we ask it questions like damage done and all that stuff. That little text file has everything we need to know. And so what you would do is, prior to the raid, prior to anything you want to log, you would just do the /combat log to start it. And to end it, you do the exact same thing. You just, once again, once the raid's over, /combat log, and there you go, combat logging is disabled. So what it does is it stops feeding in all that data that you were producing from when you started the log to when you ended it, and now your log is saved. So now what we got to do is we actually got to go find that log. So let's actually go to our folder to where it is, and I already have it up, and mine is in my C drive under the program files under World of Logs, World of Warcraft under the logs section, and it's right there, the WoW combat log. Now mine is a little too big, so if your combat log is a little too big and you got to start raid in maybe like 15 minutes and you're worried you won't have enough time to, not a problem. Just go ahead and delete your WoW combat log. It's really simple. Just delete it from your drive, delete it from your folder, and well, since I'm playing the game right now, you can't delete it. So just log out and delete it, and it's not a problem. It'll restart a fresh one for you, and it wouldn't be an issue. Now, to upload this log, unfortunately, I can't actually show you the full entire method of how to upload it because I'm having issues with some JDK right now, some Java development toolkit. So what I'm going to show you is how to get there. And now we're back at looking at World of Logs, and I'm going to actually get back to the main page where we just see our logs right now. And one of the things I haven't really talked about with World of Logs is right next to our guild name, to the left of it, you'll see client. Client is that thing that you download that actually lets you upload the World of Logs, and as you can see, my computer's uploading that file, but for some other reason I'm not allowed to produce that, and that's partly just because of what I have going on here in the setup. But the way you would do it is very simple. You can either live stream it, where you can just have the program running and it just records your log as it goes, like me etc does, which he's a little bit better at explaining that partition, or you can store everything on your log and then upload your log via the client in just a file format where you would just upload everything. And that seems to be a little bit cleaner, but if you crash it at any point, it's going to see the same issues. So that's pretty much how you would do a World of Logs setup. When I can get my client running well, I'll be more than happy to show you the full-fledged video of how it is. But this is just a very basic setup of how to do it. Anybody can do it. And we kind of want more people to be recording logs in case some issues happen. That way, if like 24 of us can't do it, and there's a 25th that can, then maybe we can use his log and upload it, and that way we can have feasible data to crunch through things. So, until next time, guys, enjoy all the videos that I've given you.